What's going on, YouTube? Back with another vid. In the day, as you can see, we're going over some Ethikas. But as you may can tell from the title already, these are the fake Ethikas. From what I seen on YouTube, I seen actually nobody going over no fake Ethikas. So this is a YouTube first, going over some fake Ethikas. But over it. Okay, so first, as you can see, it says Ethika right there. I would do a real versus fake comparison in the next video, pointing out what's on point and what's off, but I'll give you guys an overlook of them. You can let me know down in the comments if you can notice anything wrong with them. But as you can see, you got the bathing ape teeth, stretchy. Look at the back of them for you. I do notice one thing about these. These are like thinner than the real Ethikas. That's one thing I did notice right at the back. And go on the inside, as you can see, it's no tag. That says Ethika, like on the real ones. Is there any tag at all? Oh yeah, here's the tag. Case size medium. %, polyester, 5% spandex. But yeah, this is pretty much fake replica Ethikas. This is the one pair, and I'll give you an overlook of the other pair. But yeah, like I said in my other video, or my next video, I'll be going over the real versus fake, spotting the key differences. This is the overlook of the second pair, colorful, goes detail. What you guys think? Would you guys think these are actually the real deals or what? Let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. These are the Fugazis. If you look at the back, I said, yeah, very thin. And the same thing going on the inside here. No tag on the back, but it's a tag on the side right here. Again, size medium. And yeah, as you can see. But this is the fake Ethikas. Like I said, not really a video on them. So this is a first. Give you guys another up close look on them. Yeah, guys, until next time, I'm out.